All right, this says practice 3.4, 3-4. Basically, it's using the y-intercept. That's what the concept is. This first part says determine if the equation has the same slope as the equation. So you have this y equals mx plus b. There's the slope. There's the y-intercept. So they're asking, does it have the same slope or not? This one's pretty obvious. Okay, does it have the same slope? Yes. Does this have the same slope? Does this? Does this? And you should be able to answer those questions. Okay, so fairly simple. Let's look at the graphing each equation using the slope and the y-intercept. Well, this is fairly simple because they gave you the slope and the y-intercept in all of these problems. So you just have to follow it and understand what that means. So if you really, to make it simple, you might want to write m equals 3/4 and b equals -3. So you know where you begin, and you begin at -3, which is right here. And you also know that the slope is positive because it's rise 3, run 4, and they're positive numbers. So we're going to rise 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can even put the steps in if you want, like that. And then we're going to rise 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be like right there. Now, sometimes it can be difficult, like if you don't feel comfortable connecting your line here, you can actually go down 3, down 1, 2, 3, and back 1, 2, 3, 4. You can put that dot right there to kind of keep the steps, right? And then you connect and you have your line. So that's how that's done for all of those problems. Down here, though, they're asking for the backwards. Write the equation for the line. So instead of getting the equation and creating the line, you now have the line and you want to create the equation. So the first thing you want to locate is B. That's right here. The next thing you want to locate are the 2 points. So you want to find that rise and run. In this case, it's down 2, run 1. So you now have the slope, which is -2/1, and that's the coefficient of x. And you also have the y-intercept, which is 3, +3. So there's your formula. There's the slope. You found that by finding the rise over run. In this case, it's fall and run. And then the y-intercept.